Enjoy taking a look inside Archiving The Anthropocene, a perfect bound landscape art book that documents coastal erosion, plastic pollution and air pollution through both photography and artwork made in response. The laminated cover hits first, bold and slightly slick, then you open it and the uncoated pages change the feel straight away, softer, calmer and perfect for lingering on detail. The sequence drifts between full bleed location photography and these texture studies, close-ups so sharp you can almost feel the surfaces. There's a real rhythm to it, wide scenes, then tight, forensic fragments. Behind the scenes we help steer options that work for a landscape cover and a student budget, then ran a full pre-flight to flag any low-res images before printing. If you're planning an art book, start with paper and finish, then carry the concept as much as the images. We help you transform your ideas into print at XYZ.